How to buy VU, the Ververt Unicorn by Virtuous token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and follow the updates about the token. Now let's go and buy it. Now this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now as you can see, this is our token on the screener. This token is under Base network. Now go here and copy this token address and go and open your Bitget wallet. Now go to your wallet and make sure to switch the network to Base network. Now after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address as you can see. And now this is our token. Now you see this warning this warning alert. Now click on it and make sure to read all of that. And if you are ready to go, just click on confirm. Now click on this plus icon and now go back to your wallet and find your token that's called VU or Velvet Unicorn. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it and click on swap. Now switch from here and now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your Bitget wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you will receive. Now after that, click on buy and you will be able to this token. So this is how to buy the VU token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.